there's only 2 years. 21,
The 20. Oh, that's right. The 22 Bronco. Oh, what's up, little guy? Boy, chilling. Badlands. Badlands. We got the RTR rocker. Install, super easy. Oh, you got a little dirty. Look, got some leaves in there, dude. Dang, look, this is what it's supposed. Look, we got. Look at that. So we got. Making old man noises in the morning. Oh shit. Oh, that's it? Okay. Thought I was gonna come with more stuff. Okay, there's the install kit. Okay. No, that's not scratched. Okay. RTR. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You could probably paint over it. These feel nice. They feel super like rugged. Ah! Yeah, there's a diff. That fucking hurt. Big Ford guy. Big Ford guy. Canelo's one for life, bro. Alright, so those are off. I wonder if it's right here to remove the adhesive, but the stock rails are off. Oh, yeah. Stock rails are off. What is he thinking about? Hello? Alright, these are heavy as hell. 2 mounting holes. 2 mounting holes. Really? You ain't got no reception here? I got all the signal here. And then 2 mounting holes here. Underneath we got the body mounts. Do a time lapse. Be honest, I'm here to talk shit. Huh? I came over here to talk shit. You're talking shit to the wrong one right now, dude.
Go ahead, take it out to Hidden Falls and we'll see.
Dude, we took it out back. Nothing.
Alright, let's take mine out back and let's see.
Like, no, what, the Duramax?
No, the Tacoma.
No, break an axle.
No.
The axle's already like that.
What?
This one right here, right?
No, I have a brand new suspension. I have long travel and everything.
Since the last time I saw it?
Yeah, I got a lot of shit done. I just put like 7 grand.
Yo, adopt me, dude. Use me as a dependent. Adopt me. We'll both save money. I got adopted. I'm good. Pretty sure he'll love you.
Yeah, no, I deleted my sway bar and everything.
We got a hydro disconnect over here.
Alright, I don't have it. I got no sway bar. I'm not a pussy. I just don't run one.
But then when we need one, we have it. It's a lot of colors.
Yeah.
You know the same thing happens in like the streetcar world where it's like TN, Megan, they all just like have different colors, but they're all the same shit.
You couldn't pick a color that was already chosen.
Yeah, and then you just go to the cheap Raceland, red and black.
Was race? Yeah. Oh shit, Raceland. I remember that.
Dude, open that. There's a pair of Racelands underneath that fucking. Slide that door open with a hose. Yeah, Raceland.
still think it's coming.
I'm getting paid to drive it, so.
Hey. No. Did you get to keep it afterwards?
There's some on there, yeah. So
They gave it to you for free.
I get like a stipend on my paycheck for it. So they're paying like pretty much super. This week I got my gas
dude.
covered too.
So this Bronco for free.
Mine was handed to me too.
I mean, my Tahoe makes me money.
How's the Tahoe
Yay,
make
this
you
is,
money?
this is a baller corner over here, dude. Baller corner.
So how's the Tahoe make you money?
YouTube monetization. There we go.
Mine.
Side work, like, hey, that's you, fool.
Alright, the
Oh,
only thing
let me
mine
work
are
on
doing is
it.
Give me bitches. I don't know which one's better.
The what?
Oh,
The Tacoma get you bitches?
and the drum.
What kind of bitches are we talking?
What?
Ones that know about reliability on trucks? Come on, Tacomas? So they go and make.
Oh, the He's like,
Yeah, I still got warranty. Yeah. There you go.
oh, yeah. I drove it on underneath the Tahoe. It was there for 2 weeks.
What?
Yeah. Solid. Aw.